SD Touch 2, Echo Mode and Energy Settings. To do energy settings and activate Echo Mode, click on Settings and enter PIN. Enter Service menu. Click on Energy. When Echo Mode is off, time power save will be equal to time before screensaver starts. When Echo Mode is on, time power save will be equal to time before energy save mode, not while baking. Set desired power save time. Activate Echo Mode with the switch. When active, the switch is green and to the left. The temperature the oven is allowed to drop to in energy save mode. Fan speed in energy save mode, only if fans have speed control. Oven lights on or off in energy save mode. Set if relay K6 external connection in oven shall be on or off in energy save mode. Time before panel's backlight is dimmed. Backlight power in energy save mode. Panel brightness. SD Touch 2 entering energy save mode. Reactivate panel with a tap anywhere on the screen.